The last thing that you or your students will want to do after they finish making their site, or possibly before they finish, they just want to get it out there so people can see it, is they're going to publish this site. So up till now, this site is just like any other Google Doc, and it's just for me. No one else can see it except for the collaborators that I've added. So when I want to publish this so other people can see it, I will click the blue Publish button, and it will bring up this dialog. Now, I'll need to make a name for this. Now, keep in mind that this belongs in our simivalleyusd.org domain, so if they choose a very generic title, there's always the possibility that that title has been chosen. So they need to be kind of snappy or interesting, create an interesting name. So I'm just going to call this, this is a test. And it looks like that's available. It has a little check here. I think if I type test site, that one will be taken. So let's take a look. Test site. No, that one's available too. So how about just test? Nope, test is not available. See how the line underneath the name turns red? That means it's not available. So I'm going to choose this is a test because that one is available by the blue line and the check mark. Now, I can choose if this is available to only people in simivalleyusd.org or anyone on the web. One of the reasons to have a website is so that other people can view it and see the wonderful work that you've done, so you can share it with parents and grandparents and other students in other areas. So I'm going to choose anyone on the web. But one of the things I do want to check here, once you've clicked anyone on the web, you get a new setting, and it says Search Settings. Request public search engines to not display my site. This is an extra added layer of protection for students. So I'm going to click that also. What this means is that if I type my name into Google, it's going to have a harder time finding that site. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click Publish, and then this site will be published. Once I do that, I'm going to get another little thing here for Publish Options. When I click that, I'll have these published settings. I can view that, or I can unpublish it. At any point I want to, I can come back here and I can click Unpublish, and it will take it back off the internet. So this site was only on the internet for approximately 10 seconds. And you are more than welcome to publish and unpublish these sites at your whim.